Get money.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. How are you all doing? How are we all doing today, guys? Man, it's been a minute since we streamed. We've been focusing on things in the VIP. Shouts out to my VIP members. Good morning, everybody that's in the chat. I no longer have the chat overlay, so I can no longer put your comments on the screen for the time being. But I see you all saying, what's up, my brother? Good morning. Razor's in the chat. How are you, my friend? Keed Cat says third. RJ is in the chat. What's up, my brother? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Guys, I have a new microphone, as you can see. And so I need you to do me a solid and give me a nice sound check right now. Let me know how I sound, baby. Let me know how. This is the first live stream here anyways on the public channel. With the new mic. So let me know how we sound. Let me know how we're doing. And we can talk about Bitcoin, man, because Bitcoin's on the move. Bitcoin is actually doing exactly as suspected, and we're going to talk about it. We got a little pump going on. Stavros, good morning, bro. Says Geo pump it, man. I'm trying, baby. I'm trying, man. I'm trying, bro. I'm all out of money. I hit the long button too hard. I'm trying. Just kidding, guys. Full disclosure, I'm actually not long right now. I did long Ethereum this morning, and I did long Dogecoin this morning. And after we had that massive move up, well, not massive move up, but very fast move up, I closed everything. And in hindsight, I shouldn't have. I mean, because things looking like they want to print, baby. But I closed the longs on that very fast wick up. I'll get in later, no problem. I ain't stressing it. I'll just get in a little bit later. I closed the Ethereum long. I closed the Bitcoin. I didn't have a Bitcoin long, but I closed the Dogecoin long. And I'm actually short now on Bitcoin. Funny enough. Funny enough. Mic is bigger than my hands. Yeah, it's a big mic, bro. What do you want from me? Rahards, what's up, my brother? Good morning. Dark Helmet, bro. How you been, man? I know it's been like, I don't even know, what, 3 months? How are you, my friend? How you been? How's everything? How you doing? So Bitcoin's getting a little pump on. We're getting a little pump on. Rahards with the 1% battery. Bro, you gotta go get a charger, man. You're about to miss all the fun. All right, guys. So, good morning, Savos. Good morning, everybody. Hi. Hello. Welcome. All right, guys. What's going on? Let's talk about Bitcoin. Why am I short? Why did I just short it? First of all, I just want to say the last thing I'm here to do is, well, that's a lie, but I'm not going to shill you the VIP Discord right in the beginning, right in the morning. I'm not going to do that. And so please don't take this as shilling, because that's not my intention, but I want to show you guys. So this morning we did VIP stream and I had drawn this out prior to it happening. Okay. This same drawing, I had drawn that out and I never adjusted it this morning. And I want to show you again. I'm not here. This is not for shilling. I'm not doing this for shilling purposes. So I'm not telling you to get in the VIP, but you know, I was expecting this. I didn't change this. And then funny enough, man, funny enough, we came literally, and I'm also going to say this, like I was looking at this general zone. It was just coincidence that I had put the line like here, and this line was off by like $14. So that I thought was pretty funny. I thought that was pretty funny. Anyway, so what's going on with Bitcoin, man? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Super busy with the flip and remodeling biz. I'm well, bro. I'm well. God bless, man. Yeah, it's been a hot minute. We should catch up, man. We should hop on call and catch up. Chase a check. Never chase a bitch. All right, guys. Let's talk about Bitcoin, man. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about the entire market, okay? So yesterday we were long. We were giga long yesterday. Upon this move here, right? When we SFP'd these lows, because we put in double lows, we came up overnight, we SFP'd the lows, which by the way, fuck Asia. And by the way, when I say fuck Asia, please understand that I'm not saying fuck Asians. I'm saying fuck Asia. I'm saying fuck the Asian market makers, okay? So yes, fuck Asia. When that happened, you know, we went long. We had a nice break of structure at the low here. Rode it up fine, okay? And this is simply the retest. Okay, this is simply just the retest. So let's wipe all this because we know that I gave this. I just showed it to you, not telling you to join. But let's talk about what we actually have going on here, okay? So structure, starting off from the beginning, very easy, guys. And this is why the title is what it is. Do I think that we're necessarily going to get a pump today or right now? No. No, definitely not. It's possible that we might. It's possible that we do. However, things are now all of a sudden looking a little bit different, okay? Things are looking a little bit more, at least locally for the time being, things are looking a little bit more bearish than they are bullish right now. And that's why I had drawn it like this, okay? That's why it was drawn like this. Now, I want to go over why it's looking not as good as it was just a few moments ago. And why I'm short right now. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm short. I ain't capping, baby. We are short. I took the short. If it loads, is it going to load? It's not going to load. Okay, whatever. Whatever. You're just going to have to live with it. So let's go over what's happening now. Okay. We nailed this perfectly. First of all, listen to Robert. And hit the like button if you haven't already done so. Okay. So look, your structure, very simple, very, very simple, right? Follow structure, guys. Structure is king always. This is your structure because that low took that out. We made a new high. We made a new low. Well, not a confirmed low. Okay. So ultimately, for a continued move to the upside, obviously, we are looking for a higher low to then make a higher high just based on structure. Okay? Just based on structure. Very simple. Very, very easy, right? Now, there's a problem that I have with what happened earlier this morning. Because also, remember what I said, fuck Asia. There's a problem I have with this, okay? The problem that I have with what happened this morning is not only did we leave an important zone behind, okay? Not only did we leave an important zone behind, but also we haven't exactly left a nice accumulation, or rather reaccumulation, here down at these lows around 67.8. Okay? And so when you guys are looking at trade, right, you need to understand at every point, not every point, but like the points in which your market structure are possible to change, okay? Usually you'll have some form of range, whether it's on the 30-minute time frame like we're on right now, or we're on the 5-minute time frame, whatever the case is. You will typically have some form of range when you are at these, what I'm going to call pivot points in market structure, okay? Now, if we come and we delete this, because we know this is easy. Like, I mean, that was a golden pocket play. This was the order block that we were watching, which is why I shorted, right? So now this guy's been mitigated. This guy's been mitigated. Now, if you look at, what did I just say, right? So we were ranging, right? After we had our pump and then our dump yesterday, we started to range. But the range didn't look so nice, okay? The range didn't look great. I mean, it did sweep some lows. It was very low volume, boring activity. Nothing crazy, okay? Nothing too wild, right? Nothing too wild. And we never had a proper accumulation here at this pivot point, right? We didn't have a proper accumulation. Whereas Dogecoin looked a little bit better, right? Doge looks better than Bitcoin does right now, in my opinion, okay? Doge looks a little bit better. Solana looks decent. Doesn't look great. Doesn't look amazing. But usually Solana is going to do the same thing that Dogecoin, or that Bitcoin is going to do, rather. My apologies, okay? So what am I looking out for right now? Well, like I said, depending on what happened on this move, which now that I mean, from the low to the high, or from the high to the low, if you're taking structure from up here, you're going to see that you have high, low, and now you have high SFP, okay? That's not a good sign. In addition to that not being a good sign in terms of it being an SFP, like I said, we left this, we have one last order block here in this like local range that we front ran, and we front ran our naked daily point of control as well, here at the lows, okay, around 67.6. So because we left these levels, and because we know that we're looking for the higher low, remember your structure from here is low, or the expectational order flow rather is low, high, and it's supposed to be higher low, right? So what's happening right now is everybody is thinking the low is in, I'm gonna long, we're missing the move. But in actuality, you're just in the range still. You just broke back within the range, which is not bullish. You SFP'd the high, which is not good. And you left this level behind, which is also not good, okay? So right now, despite what you may think, things are, at least to me, looking locally a little bit more bearish than they are bullish. And that's why I closed out my Ethereum long. That's why I closed out my Dogecoin long. And that's why I am Bitcoin short. Now, I don't want you guys to come in on Monday. I don't want the pencil necks to come in on Monday and say, ha ha ha, how's your short? Dumbass. I'm in and out. You know, I long here and I get out here. I can get in from anywhere in the market. So I don't, you know, but I'm just saying locally right now, as a scalper, things are looking more bearish than they are bullish. Does that mean that we can't continue higher? Absolutely not, because what did I just draw out for you? I just drew out the expectational order flow, which is this, but this is not a confirmed low until this high is taken. Okay? So the reason that I had drawn this like in this fashion is because we are essentially waiting for our reaccumulation. I don't like the way that it looks right now. And I think that absolutely we can come down. Here's your first tap. Here's your second tap. We can come down for a third tap, in which this is the move that sends us higher in the event that this is actually a reaccumulation, and expectational order flow is to send price higher. But this is how you have to think as a scalper. For now, that's what I'm seeing. Again, that's why I closed it. And that's why this morning I gave my VIP members, when I told them, I was like, you know what? Everything looks like it wants to go higher. I'm not going to sit here and say it doesn't, right? Like, market cipher objectively on these higher term time frames, 8 hour looks bullish AF, right? Like bullish AF. It looks so bullish that, you know, we might get a weekend pump. We might get a continued move to the upside. But as a scalper, right, once you know where the direction of price is going to go in, the game just becomes get the highest risk to reward possible. Okay. And you can do that with many ways. And the main way that I do that is with structure. Okay. So we're watching it. Damn, is this Kim Possible? That's fire, actually. I don't even know this playlist. I just wanted to have a little bit of R&B. Anyway, so locally, that's kind of what I'm seeing. Whether or not that comes into fruition, I do not know. Whether or not I get stopped out of my short, I do not know. Whether or not everything else just goes to the moon, doge to the moon. I don't know what dog is, but doge to the moon? Yeah, dog, I don't know. Thank you, bro. I'm glad that you like the new mic. I love the new mic, man. Oh, dude. This has made content so much fun. Like, I love the new mic. Anyway, so that's what I'm seeing right now. This could have been a fake out to send price lower and attack these lows. I also don't like the way that these lows look. And we front ran the naked daily point of control. And we front ran this order block. And I got news for you guys. If we don't SFP this low, if we do not SFP this low, and we start closing and we start losing this last zone, if you want to mark it on your charts, 67,526 and 67,663. We start losing that, guys, we're coming much lower. And so I want to now bring your attention more to the macro stuff, okay? That's the local stuff. That's like, if you're a scalper, I just gave you some serious heat right there. But let's talk about more of the local stuff, right? Or sorry, the more macro stuff. Let's talk about more of the macro stuff right now, okay? While we hope that Bitcoin gives us a little bit of a pullback here, because I'm short. And I want to get into some good longs, but it's not the time. Before we continue, guys, we got 70 people in here, only 27 likes. Likes are down, views are down. And it's hurting my feelings, man. So do me a solid, please. And hit the like button for me. Hodler, welcome, bro. Welcome to the network. Good morning, candles don't lie. Good morning, man. Good morning. Looks like we got some dog bots. We got some dog bots in the chat. I don't know if you guys are dog bots. Yo, all of you guys talking about dog right now. If you're not bots, type happy in the chat. If you type happy in the chat, I will shill dog for you. If you don't, then you're bots and you're banned, baby. I better find your love. All right. What do I think of Pepe? We could check Pepe. Let me just finish Bitcoin here. So macroly, guys. Macroly, obviously we're in our range. Okay, we know this. Obviously, we're expecting a breakout. We know this. These highs, we don't look like Bitcoin does not look like it has its high. It's like a macro top high. Okay. You guys see, no, not you guys. I'm talking about the people talking about dog. Pappy. Like this, like Mac Donnie and Diagoneta. Yeah, bots are busy. Bots are busy spamming the streamers. Like Lipex. Like, oh. Okay, Lipex is not a dog to the moon. Dog, yeah. Alright, cool, man. Cool. I don't know what dog is. Maybe we'll check it out. I hope Doge pumps with dog, because I got big bag of Doge. Anyway, so let's talk macro real quick and then we'll move on, man. Look, plain as day. Like, this is easy, right? If I come on the higher term time frames, you got unmitigated order blocks. So, you know, if we don't hold that order block and we decide to come much lower, you know, remember, in the macro of it, things look like they're going to break out. But that doesn't mean that it's going to happen in this immediate moment, right? So we covered all the local stuff. Good morning, Nick. How are you, brother? Guys, subscribe to Nick, Flopping Groper. I can't put him on the screen right now because I don't have that plug-in at the moment, but Nick is a G. Nick covers Market Cipher, and he has amazing VWAP strategies. So if you're looking to trade using Market Cipher... Oh, that reminds me. I don't know why that wasn't on. Whoops. Yeah, subscribe to Nick, though. Flopping Groper. And since we're here, huge shout out to the sponsor of the channel. Okay. And if you guys are looking to buy Market Cipher, by the way, it is this indicator on the bottom, which is the only indicator that you need. The link is in the description down below. You gonna break my soul. You should sell Doge for dog, not financial advice. Yo, speaking of not financial advice, man, I'm forgetting everything today. Guys, disclaimer. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Geo is an incompetent 5'2" and 3/4 wannabe singer, non-financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Global warming is real. Making money online is impossible, and the earth is flat. In case you didn't know, man. In case you didn't know. These guys with the dog. I'll check dog and I'll check Pepe. Anyway, so we covered the local stuff, the scalping stuff, right? If we end up coming down, if this SFP comes into fruition and we end up coming down here, and we do hit that key zone that's right below this low, and we bounce from it, then up we go, I think. Okay, up we go. Very simple. In my opinion, at that point, up we go. However, if that doesn't happen, then I would say it's more likely that down we go, and you know, we could see these lower levels again before we come higher, right? Because we also, like I said, we're in a macro range, right? This is your range. We know this. And when you're at the highs of the range, you shouldn't be overly bullish. If you're swing trading, right? Like, I'm a scalper. I can get in and out in 2 minutes. But when you're at the highs of the range, you should be looking to short. When you're at the lows of the range, you should be looking to long. So if more long-term something like this happens, I would not be surprised. Okay? I would not be surprised. So just, we got to be aware of that. Okay? We got to be aware of that. All right, let's check Pepe, and then let's check this dog, whatever it is. Let's go to Pepe. Where's PP? Man, PP coin has been on an absolute bender. Now, I'll tell you this, man. It sucks that we didn't hit this because we wanted this zone. Didn't get it. Fine. Kind of shitty. Is what it is. Pepe's been non-stop, man. Pepe's been absolutely non-stop. Man, these... I can't tell if you guys are bots, man. Some of you are not, but... like McDonough, it seems like a bot. Anyway, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just tweaking. Maybe I'm just tweaking. So Pepe right now, I mean, it's very difficult to do long-term analysis on a coin that's like all-time highs. Like, I'm a scalper and I trade ranges. So like, you know, for me to, for example, give a projection as to where it might go, I have absolutely no idea. I am not the best trader when it comes to trading all-time highs. Okay, I am not at all the best trader when it comes to that. So I'm not gonna sit here and say that, you know, I know where it's gonna go or whatever. 4 hour looks bullish, you know, on Market Cipher B on this the oscillator here on the low. 4 hour looks bullish. You know, the trend is clearly up. These coins are all gonna follow Bitcoin, and you know, like I said, Bitcoin doesn't look like it's topped out yet. So we could get a pump, we could get a weekend pump, right? But you know, Pepe looks like it's still got some legs, and although, like, you know, we have divergences on higher term time frames like the 2-day and the daily and whatever, I can't tell you with conviction that the high is in for Pepe, you know, I can't. And big shout out to Crypto Face, because Face has been talking about Pepe for quite some time, you know. Like, I think I saw him maybe like 8 months ago say go all in on Pepe. So big shout out to him. I have no idea how he knew that. Like, I don't know how people can do, like, long-term, especially all-time high analysis. I truly don't. So maybe I gotta hop on call with Face and he can tell me a secret or two. But anyway, so big shouts out to him because, you know, he nailed it, man. He nailed it. Pepe is absolutely ripping it. And I mean, yeah, Pepe might just be it this cycle, you know? It's just not stopping. So I don't know what else to say. Like, I'm a market cipher trader. Market cipher is looking good. I mean, we know that in a massive uptrend and in a bull market, you know, a lot of the divergences tend to get disrespected. And so I wouldn't be surprised if Pepe, like I said, continues higher. But what I can tell you definitively is when you're working with structure, okay, your structure, although at the top here flipped bearish, let's come on like the 2 hour. 2 hours probably cleaner. Yeah. So if I show you structure on the 2, we have low, high, low, high, low, high, flipped bearish. And then we immediately now are currently flipping bullish again. You know, you could look for something like this, right? Your expectational order flow would be this. And this sort of like, I don't want to say pattern. It's not really a pattern, but this like formation of price, this like kind of penis looking, flaccid penis looking here, is essentially what you want to see in a bull market. Like, look at this kind of wider flaccid penis here, you know, that you had. I guess the inverse head and shoulders. I don't trade that, but yeah. So I mean, it's looking good, man. It's looking good. We aren't bots, boss. Yeah. Yeah. Caspa, Pepe. I don't know what Tau is, but Caspa. Shout out to Dak, man. I've got a dog, but I got 3 cats. There's got to be meme coins Woofy and Meowie. I think Woof is one. I don't know about Meowie. I think Woofy is one, though. The secret was that a meme coin season would come. Yeah, but there's so many meme coins, and they don't do anything. Like, okay, so I've only ever bought one really shit coin. Like a dirty coin. I have a dirty coin right now, guys. I have one dirty coin. And if you guys want, I'll shill it. It's garbage. Didn't do me any good though. Definitely didn't do me any good. I bought one dirty coin. I put $1,000 into it, and it's currently at $132. So I'm down 97% or 87%. Not really what we want to see. All right, let me check this dog thing. What's the ticker? I mean, it's probably just dog. Is this it? Dog spot? I guess there's no like perpetual thing on this yet. Dog. All right, let's check dog. What the bro? Okay, so this coin came out literally a week ago. I have when I tell you I have 0 comments. Wow, we aren't bots, bro. Okay. All right, cool. I see you, man. Our community and TG have more than 10K members. I don't know what TG is, but Trader Geo. Anyway, we're short on Bitcoin. I have nothing to say about this. I have no idea how to chart it. It came out a week ago. I'll tell you this. Market cipher looks bullish. Aside from that, I got nothing else to tell you, man. Nothing else to tell you. The bots have won. Listen, Lipex, if you're not a bot, no, you're not a bot. You actually replied. Did you reply? Say something else. We aren't bots. I want to see you say a word that okay, I want you to type elephant. If you're not a bot, type elephant. And while you're at it, hit the like button for me. Man, there's no way, bro. Telegram. It's where meme bots come from. Oh, Telegram. We are making it to top 100 in the next hour. Man, unless you type elephant, bro, y'all are bots, man. All right, guys, the short is doing well, man. The short is doing well. The Bitcoin short is doing well. Anthony T. No, you're not a bot. You're not a bot. That I know. The short is printing, baby. Okay, I guess Lipex is not a bot. All right. Whatever, man. The short is printing. That's what I care about. Shouts out to my VIP members, baby. Guys, listen, if you're all watching in the VIP and y'all took the short, which is crazy, man. I literally, yo, crazy. Drop the P&Ls, man. Drop the P&Ls. Come drop the P&Ls in the VIP P&Ls. I'm gonna drop mine right now. I really need, baby. Oh. Yeah, man, I told you guys, it doesn't look, it didn't look that good to me, man. It didn't look that good to me, and that's why we shorted it with everything that we got. You're welcome for the short call. You're very welcome, man. You're very welcome. So let's pull up the scalp levels right now. Let's see if I can go 2 for 2 in these exact zones. Let's see. Okay, let's see. This is yesterday's news. Don't care about any of that. Don't care about this. Golden pockets are a lie. No, I'm just kidding. Not actually. But, let's see if we get a reaction off of this guy. This guy was also circled quite some time ago. I thought initially that once we had our dump from yesterday, like the first thing I said was, guys, keep an eye out on 67666. I actually had limit orders here at 67666. But they didn't get hit. I'm currently up 11% on a 3x long since I woke up. Amazing. Amazing, bro. Doge just dumped. Yeah, the whole market's gonna dump. Look, man, that's why I closed my Ethereum. I was long on Ethereum. As soon as we took this high, the same time Bitcoin hit that order block, man, I closed that shit. I closed that shit hard. I closed that shit. So let's see where we can get in, right? Let's see if we can get some nice longs now. See, that's why you guys always gotta wait, man. Patience pays. Look at this order block right here. Oh my god, Dogecoin. We should have got in on that. We goofed, baby. We goofed. Look at that. That is, I mean, hindsight is 2020, but damn. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here also. Yo, all of you dog bots, tell your dog bot friends to hit the like button. Oh, I got an alert on Solana. Let's check Solana. Solana, look at that, baby. So close, man. So close. My alert was literally called, look for Solana long, don't fuck it up. But I mean, this kind of looks like ass. That looks like money to be swept. So hopefully the low is not in yet. Hopefully the low is not in yet. We'll see, man. We'll see. We'll have to wait and see. Patience pays, guys. Patience pays. Look at that Dogecoin entry. Look at that Dogecoin entry. If you took that, if you 0.5% already, damn, bro. That's a Dogecoin entry if I ever seen one. Joe, you're welcome, my brother. Shouts out to Joe. Shouts out to Robert Jones. Shouts out to the boys. Baby, calm down. Calm down. Baby, calm down. Baby, calm down. Man, that might have been the low. That might have been the low, guys, that I was talking about. That might have been the low, boys. Can't lie. Can't lie to you. Can't lie to you. Might have been the low. I hope not, but it might have been. I really hope not. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's the low. Maybe. Maybe. What is this song? Song's ass. Song's ass. The boys, what's up, brother? Geo called the BTC retest. Yeah, man. That's why you never, ever, 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 ever FOMO. Man, when you know what you're doing, it's so easy. Like, just, you know, find a 5-minute range. Look, just follow 5-minute structure anywhere you're at. Anywhere you're at. And then, you know, long here. And put your stop here. And run it up. Like, TP here and then run it up. Like, it's, man, if you trade with structure and you use a decent time frame structure and you know where the order flow objective is, like, I'm not, look, let's just say I even just said that might have been the low, okay? Or let's use Doge, because Doge actually hit an order block. Doge is a really good example, right? Am I gonna just YOLO long right now? No. I'll just wait. Like, what's the point? What's the point? I know there's an order block up here, so we might get a rejection off of here, right? If you're following 5-minute structure, look at what we just did. Look, from here we have low, high, low, high, low, high, and we just flipped it bearishly. So why am I gonna FOMO long? What's the point? There's no point. If anything, expectational order flow is this. So maybe we hit this order block and then we come down and hit this box further. Right? Maybe, perhaps. I'm not saying it will, but maybe. Okay. How do you get into a long in this position? Well, if this doesn't happen, there's 2 ways you can get into a long. Number 1 is if we take the high, which means now you have a 5-minute break in structure again. And then you find your order block and then you get in here and then you ride it up like I just said. Or if you produce a bullish order block at the same time you break this bearish order block, come back down for the retest of that bullish order block and then send it up. In other words, a supply to demand flip. Because this is supply now. This should be red. And this guy's now been mitigated. So like, man, when you pay attention to structure, it's quite simple, honestly. It's not that hard. It just gives you perspective. Like, structure gives you perspective. So, you know, the people that are thinking, and I know, man, I've been there. You guys think when I talk about, you know, the emotions of trading, like I didn't do it myself? Like, old me would long right now. Oh my God, the low is in. Go. Maybe it works out, maybe it doesn't, but it's not sustainable, like, in the long of it. No pun intended. There's no longevity when you do that, you know? There is no longevity when you do that. And so, yeah, you might make, you know, a couple hundred, couple thousand bucks today doing that, but you're going to lose it tomorrow. So what's the point? You got to sip the Kool-Aid. Patience pays, baby. Nice hammer forming on Pepe. We should move Pepe up to the mains. Nice hammer on the 15. Yeah, no, I I'm not saying that it's not a hammer, but this is not even a little bit close enough to a retracement for my liking. For my liking, I would want a minimum come down to here. Minimum. So yeah, hammer. But retail teaches you, oh, long the hammer. Yeah, go ahead, long it. Good luck. Maybe it works out, but it won't in the long of it. And actually, look at structure once again with Pepe. Boom, boom, boom. Broke bearish. So now we could have this, or we could have one more SFP to complete a distribution within our range. Do we have reason to stop here? I don't know. Let's take a look. Let's see if we have reason to stop here. Let me remove this. So we front ran a 4-hour order block. Okay. Front ran the 4-hour. So that leads me to believe maybe we do get one more push up. However, I'm sure we have a golden pocket or something there. Yeah, we're in our golden pocket. Fine. We are in range-based supply. Fine. And we swept liquidity. I mean, yeah. We recovered the vectors. Man, we hit range-based supply. Like, although we front ran the 4-hour, down, up, down. Technically speaking, anywhere here was a potential short. Like, is it not a potential? Is it an acceptable short? You know, so we can change this to mitigated. And then, you know, we can watch out for this guy here. Quite simple. But it matters, you know, where you are, right? Like, your structure and your order blocks will give you perspective of where you are, right? Where are you? It matters. It matters. So we'll see what happens, right? We'll see what happens. A lot of people will see this candle and then think, oh yeah, you know, let's long the hammer. No, man, that's a retail pattern, guys. Don't do the shit retail does. What's up, Dak? %, 95% of retail loses. So why are you learning from retail, man? Why are you trading like retail? Short or long? I would say neither right now. Definitely neither. If anything, my opinion right now, if anything, is I favor shorts than longs right now. Well, I'm short, right? I am short. I did short up here. I'll show you. My entry was actually fire also. Check this out. Look how fire my entry is. 69039. $50 off the top. But the reason I favor shorts is because we have unmitigated zones beneath us still. Right? We still haven't tapped 67661. We still haven't tapped the naked daily point of control that we had put in. That yesterday's point of control, we still haven't put that in. Right? We haven't hit that yet. And we just, on higher term time frames, if you're taking structure from the high, we just SFP'd the high, right? This is a clear as day SFP. Clear as day. So doesn't look good. I actually prefer coming down, SFPing the low, hitting this guy, and then coming up. I want this, which is once again exactly what I drew out for my VIP members this morning. That's look at this. I literally, actually before it happened, this exact same thing is what I drew out. I just changed the colors. But yeah, so definitely neither, but I favor. You FOMO'd in, bro. I mean, don't say sorry to me, man. It's you. It's not me. It is you. It is not I. All right, guys, do me a solid. Listen, I'm gonna go get a hauls real quick. So do me a solid and drop me some altcoins. I'll look at some altcoins if you send me some alts, and I'll be back in like 60 seconds. Be right back. All right. Turbo looks bullish as fuck. Like, that's fucking crazy. Turbo looks so bullish, it's not even funny. Market cipher looks bullish. Market structure looks bullish. You know, we are currently flipping this. So we could look for somewhat of a pullback and a continuation to attack these highs. We're probably going to get a little bit of resistance here. Actually, let's see if we can increase that zone. See if we can get a bigger zone here. Maybe not. Okay, here are your two resistance points. Yes, and I know that hindsight, but it is what it is. I would have drawn this out. Look, we rejected exactly from the top of the order block. So I would expect somewhat of a pullback because I think Bitcoin is going to pull back a little bit here. Where you can look to long it. But it looks mad bullish, man. It looks mad bullish to me. Just based on money flow. Look at the 4 hour. Like, nobody in their right mind would say that this looks bearish on the 4 hour at least. So I don't scalp shit coins. I don't trade. And yes, I consider this a shit coin. I would expect somewhat of a retracement perhaps to here. This is probably also your golden pocket, but more importantly than that, it is range-based demand. Look at that. Perfect. I would expect this. And then a continuation to the upside. Whether or not we get the rejection from here or we get it from here, I don't know. Can't tell you that. But I think from where we are currently is a little bit more likely. But let's check at volume real quick so that I'm not lying to you guys. I mean, the higher one right now actually seems better in terms of volume, but I'm going to check one other thing before I tell you that with conviction. Now, I also don't know how these coins are going to react relative to Bitcoin because I don't trade them, but let's check this. Doesn't really do us any good. Yeah, I would expect a reaction from either one. Honestly, from either one. I'm going to set an alert here. Maybe I'll long it. This looks like a good long to me. This actually looks like a very good long to me. Coming down. So from where we are, another 18%. But I mean, this coin moves like crazy. I made 2K off turbo. Let's go, baby. That's sick. Anyway, so we got an alert here. We'll see what happens. If Bitcoin continues to pull back, I imagine this would, but I don't know how these coins work relative to Bitcoin. So, but I mean, we're finding resistance exactly in the order block, so it's not surprising. Phantom. Actually, what was that one again? Turbo? Let me add it to my chart, and I'll add it to my watch list up here. All right, Phantom. Okay, this is very old TA. So Phantom hit this order block perfectly. And it hit this guy perfectly. Yeah, Turbo looks like it wants a pullback. You see the man, this is the problem with bull markets. The problem with bull markets is whenever we come and we make a low, we typically don't come back and take that low again. Like, this shit is a problem. That's a problem. Because it doesn't change your structure, right? Like, everything, all this shit is internal. So for Phantom, I would actually like to take the low. Phantom's actually getting me a little bit more bearish on the rest of the market. Because Phantom looks like it wants to come and take that low. Like, I would be surprised if we don't take that low. I would be surprised. I would be surprised if we don't take that low. Look at all these inefficiencies, all these vector candles that we can come and recover. I would be very surprised. Guys, the Bitcoin short is printing. Bitcoin short is printing. What a beautiful entry. I nailed that. Okay, let me come back to Bitcoin because I don't... Come back to BTC coin. All right, look. So it's about to hit. It's either here or here. By the way, remember that 15-minute hammer we were talking about? That's why, bro. That's why. They teach you that, and it's not... It ain't shit, bro. It ain't shit. Let's see what happens. I did not change this drawing today, okay? I have not changed it. And full disclosure, this is the only point that I changed, and I said it's either going to be here or it's going to be a higher low. So far, we're right. So far. Thomas says market dead. Do you mean like the market's about to die? Because I'm down for it to die. I think people are way too bullish, man. Like way too bullish. Like it's not even a question, bro. Iggy Azalea is out here shaking her ass. Yeah, man. Like saying mother coin. Like y'all are too fucking bullish, man. You guys are way too bullish. I don't know, man. Like I used to get a lot of hate when I said that, but I don't really care. Like, bro, if Iggy Azalea is shaking her ass telling you to buy mother coin, like that, if that doesn't terrify you, then I don't know what to tell you. It is a nice ass. It is. Speaking of, look, I'm gonna show you guys this. I'm gonna show you this. I tweeted yesterday. Does this not scare you? Not only does it scream significant top, but there's a hard 0% chance you can handle that ass. See you at the bottom, pun intended. Yeah, man, she has a nice ass. She does. Not gonna sit here and say that I wouldn't. Should you close the ICP long? Well, I can't tell you that. Say no fucking sing along. I can't tell you. Oh, let me go back to ICP. I can't tell you if you should close it, but I'll tell you this. I wouldn't have it open. That much I will tell you. Nothing about this is screaming long to me. Nothing. Look, guys, what did I tell you, man? In a bull market, they make it hard. Like, low, all this shit is internal. Every little bit of this is internal. Nothing about this is showing strength to me, especially because Bitcoin is eating a dick right now. And by that, I mean it's coming perfectly to what we projected. Yeah, I mean, why do you think I told you at the beginning of the why do you think at the beginning of the stream I told you I closed the ETH long, I closed the Doge long? Yeah, this doesn't look like it's gonna stop here. So this is the next spot. I will maybe consider longing if we come to 67.7. Smash the like button like it was an ass. Yeah, man. Calling out all the pencil next. Yeah, man. Guys, like, you have no idea how much hate I get. And that's why, like, that's why I like react this way. And I'm like, yo, you know what I mean? Like, if people weren't fucking assholes, then I wouldn't have to be an asshole back. But like, yo, you bite me, I'll fucking kill you. Like, that's... I'm too petty, bro. I'm too petty to... I'm way too petty to let shit go. Like, I'm way too petty. It's not a good thing. It's a very bad quality to possess. There's the short, though, guys. There's the short. Let's see if this one holds. I mean, oh, geez. And once again, guys, I'm not here to shill the VIP. Well, that's a lie. Now I'm going to shill the VIP. I drew this out this morning. Okay, look at the time. 8:27 a.m. It is currently 10. This was an hour and a half ago. We drew this up on my VIP stream this morning. Okay? The link is in the description down below. Tradewithgeo.com. Naked daily point of control has officially been hit. Let's see if we get a reaction off of this order block or if we just completely kill it here. Yeah, man. Got to be petty with your money. 100%, bro. 100%. Listen, I am too petty. Guys, listen. I need you to understand something. You need to get good at losing, okay? Because every single person learns when they lose, not when they win. You don't learn when you win. You do not. That's the reality. You do not learn when you win. So you need to get good at losing. And what do I mean by that? I love losing. I love it. And it's not because I love losing money, but I get to learn when I lose, right? I get to learn. I get to take that opportunity and I get to learn. Don't lose in vain. I am too petty. I am way too petty to let these motherfuckers take my money and I just go back to sleep. No. Go back and learn what you did wrong. Go back and analyze it. Go back and analyze that shit, man. I am too petty to let these guys take my hard-earned money. But people don't think like that. People are like, shit, man, I just lost. I'm gonna revenge trade. No, you fucking idiot. No. Get good at losing. I love when I lose. I love it. Losing teaches me more than winning. But don't lose in vain. Do not lose in vain. Otherwise, what's the point? You're gonna get wrecked. Cause even though we're going through it and it makes me do, baby, I would die for you. Do. Setbacks are setups. Yes, sir. Let's see if we hit this. So we don't actually technically need to hit this order block now because we swept liquidity, but let's see how accurate we are. I mean, so far we've been killing it, man. We've been like, if this chart was Iggy Azalea's ass, like so far we've been jizzing on it. We came up here, we played with her titties, and now we're down at the asshole. Iggy, what's up? What do I think about Coinbase? I don't know. I have no opinion of it. Shiv retest, yes sir. Fuck that. I want to check Solana. Look at that. So I told you we got liquidity that we could run. I told you that 15-minute hammer candle that you mentioned earlier was ass. Retail teaches you that. Retail teaches you that. So let's see, man. We got shitty structure here. If we do this now, if we do this, you can long in two ways. You can either aggressively long using market cipher down here at this low, or you could be a little bit more lax. When you break this, get in, put your stop below the low. But I would only feel more confident in that if we hit the blue box. We got to hit the blue box. Otherwise, you can get in on like 30-second structure. I wouldn't go to the 15. I wouldn't even go to the 30. I don't recommend that either. Oh my god, Geo is a god. I'm not a god, man. I'm not a god. I don't lose in vain. Like I told you, I'm too petty to not learn from my mistakes. I'm like, yo, fuck these guys. Y'all want to take 1,000 from me? Fine, I'll take your fucking house. To the market makers. And then I come here and I try to tell people, and they're like, oh, Geo, you've been bearish since 39K. Since 38K, you've been bearish. I haven't been bearish since 38K. I was bearish at 38K. Dumbass. Anyways, yeah. Dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it. Somebody clip the Iggy Azalea thing and send it to her. Let's make her day when her mother coin. When her mother coin goes to the shitter. All right, guys, we've been sniping it. Geo, do I know TJR? I don't know. Pride comes before the fall. Man, Pride is tomorrow, unfortunately. No, I don't know what TJR is or who that is or where that is or when that is. I have no idea. Sip the Kool-Aid, man. Sip the Kool-Aid. Sipping the Kool-Aid. Even though we're going through it. All right, let's see what we want to see, right? So this is an SFP. Fine. Has it played out yet? No. Let's check CVD. CVD is not bullish. It's not bearish. It's on par. So, you know, no exhaustion, no absorption. Doesn't mean it can't come up. We're currently SFPing. Right? Let's get our Bollinger Bands up. Yeah, I mean, we're SFPing. I can't say we're not. But I am aware of this. I want a little bit lower, man. I want to come and hit this guy. Give me this one. If it hit this, I would feel better. And I want structure on my side also. So right now, what I would look how thick the money flow is, and the number one rule is the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. So I want to see this. You know, maybe we dance up a little bit and then boom. Actually, this would be even better. This would be so much better. See you later. If it gives us that, I'm going to long the farm. Long the farm. It gives us some shit like that. Otherwise, I'll get in if we take this high. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. It's alright. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine China. It's so favorite, babe. This is you for ya. It's like all the girls around me. And adore ya. Yeah, I would get in, but I would understand that there's still that order block. But I would only get in if we break this high, and then I'd get a retest. It's alright. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable. Just like fine China. Took me a while, your love. Do it for ya. In this world, save me a lot of time and just love me. In your soul, are you ready? Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me. Are you ready? Are you ready, baby? Does he do it for ya? Does he practice what he preach?
It's all on ya. I just gotta know. But your time is money and I'm gonna let him waste it. I'm the epitome of this demonstration. I got the remedy, you feeling me? So why is you hating and my anatomy is bird-like? Yeah, you heard right. Girl, I'm the king, so that means I'm fly. If you with it, girl, get it poppin'. Roll with me, ain't no stopping. So get it, shorty. We park a lot, pimpin' my dog. Baby, does he do it for ya? And he practice what you're parking and adore ya. I just gotta know. Whoa. Hey, Geo, can I look at Solana? No entry yet, boys. No entry yet. I'll tell you that. I already looked at Solana, but if you want to go check it out, go check out the beginning of the stream. But for now, there's no entry. Just saying, what bump your Pepe? Is ICP cloning render? I have absolutely no idea. How come you haven't been going live as much? I know it's hard doing trading and content. Just miss your lives, bro. You need to hire someone to set up your content. I'll tell you why, bro. I'll tell you why. I've been working on such big things in the VIP. We're doing a whole thing, and the announcement's not live for you guys yet, but there's that. I'm working on a trading course. To be honest, views are down, and like, I don't know, man. I'm not gonna sit here and say that I care. Let's say this: I'm learning to not care about people's like shitty ass attitude. Okay? Cause like, man, hold on, let me mute this shit. You know, a lot of the times I get hate, I get shit on. People are fucking rude, man. People are fucking rude. And uh-oh. Sorry. Yeah, people are fucking rude. And you know, I don't know, man. I just think like I think that people don't remember, like, I don't need to do this shit. You know, I don't need to do this. I'm good, man. I could just trade and sail off into the sunset. But like, people are fucking rude. And so I don't know. I'm not gonna sit here and say that it doesn't affect me, and I'm not gonna sit here and say that it does affect me, but it's something that I'm getting better at. Let's just say that. But also, I'm working on content and stuff. Like, I'm working on the course. You know, I'm making sure, like, I'm taking care of my VIP members. We changed the format. We're changing we're doing a whole new thing that no one else is doing, that I know of anyways. In the VIP, I stream every day now for the VIP members. So every morning I'm on VIP stream. You know, it's not yeah. But yeah, basically that's why. But I'm gonna come back. And also, views are down, so it's like, what's the point? You know? Not what's the point, but like, you know, it is discouraging. I'm not gonna sit here and say it's not. Like I said, I don't need to do this. So what is my wait, is my mic better now? It should be better now. What is my entry condition on Sol? We're gonna have to see some strength here for Sol. I mean, look, it swept enough liquidity for my liking. You know, you could... I need to see better structure, man. I need to see better structure. So Bitcoin, I'm waiting for potentially something like this. Right? I'm waiting for potentially something like this. And so if Bitcoin gives us this, then... And Solana gives us something similar in terms of structure, like, there's no point in longing right now. If Solana gives us something similar, then I'll get in on that. But it's not the time, in my opinion. Can we please check ICP? Bro, we checked ICP. What else is there to check?
Nothing else to check, man. This looks like shit. You want to check guys? You want to follow ICP? Pay attention to Bitcoin. It will tell you what's going to happen. It will tell you what's going to happen. There's no entry right now. I'll tell you that. We got a little order block here that we actually had inducement on. 1 minute order block. You know, you might get a little, actually not inducement, but you might get a little reaction there. You might get a little reaction. Guys, the market like hasn't absorbed this move yet. Like there isn't shock yet. It's not like, oh, like wait for it to shock. It's not like, oh my God. This is right now, people are longing it, you know? People are longing here so that like market makers are inducing people to long so that they could rip it further down. That's what I think anyway. SHIB? What is SHIB doing? Is SHIB bouncing? Still no entry on SHIB. But we drew the order block. Like, you know, look at that. Straight to the low of the order block. Perfectly. Perfectly to the low of the order block. Like, yo, order blocks are OP, man. OP. The indicator on the bottom here is called Market Cipher B. It is a premium indicator, but in my opinion, it's the only indicator that you need. And also, I have many tutorials on my channel in regards to this indicator. And so if you're looking to purchase the indicator, the link is in the description down below. Bro, the X is liking all your Insta posts. Oof. Oof. Tell her to take a hike. Tell her to take a hike, bitch. You had your chance with Top Tony. With Big T, you had your chance. Get out of here. You're old news. Man. All right, guys. We've been on for an hour and a half. It's all right. I'm not dangerous when you're mine. I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let them waste it. What's a nice song? What is a nice song, man? Whoa, 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 for the longest time. Whoa, for the longest, if you said goodbye to me tonight. Ooh. Yeah, man, that might have been the low, guys. That might have been the low. I don't know. I would like one more low. I want to come and take, I want to hit this order block, man. I want to hit this order block. Give me the loot. Give me the order block. And then run it back up. And then, let me see. Baby, does he do it for you? Does he practice? Take the low. Then we can long it up to here. Okay. We'll long it up to here. And then we'll short it to fucking zero. Because everybody is absolutely off their rocker. Way too bullish. Way too bullish. Way too bullish. Give us 10 minutes. 10 minutes of what, bruv? Mickey, are you looking up? I don't know what that is. Can I explain about blocks? Order blocks are essentially where smart money involvement is. Order blocks are the only thing on the channel that I do not give for free. Everything else I give you for free. Order blocks are my little secrets. My little secret, because I got to keep something for the premium content, which, by the way, guys, I am working on a trading course, and I'm hoping that it's going to be out later in the summer. Whoa, whoa, for the longest time. Whoa, for the longest, if you said goodbye to me tonight. Ooh. Hey, man, how's the 15-second scalping going? Not great. Not great.
I think it could work here and there, but I don't think it's sustainable in the long run of it, you know? I don't think it is sustainable. Don't think so. You're welcome. Come on, baby. Give me this so we can hit the long and then everybody can go home. If you said goodbye to me tonight, ooh. Okay, so Turbo's gonna come up to this guy. Turbo likely is gonna come up to that guy. For the longest time. If you said
I haven't done cocaine, haven't done meth,
haven't done drugs just yet.
Didn't relapse. I've been taking diet pills, some steroids.
A lot of people know that I had an affair. Hey, he had an affair. BitBoy Crypto had an affair.
And yes, NFTs are down, they seem like they're dead.
But they're not. They'll come back. No, they
I
won't.
have a family brand. That's my brand. I had an affair. Care about Bitcoin, family brand. These things were touching me.
A lot of people think NFTs are dead, but they'll come back. No, they fucking won't, dude. NFTs are the biggest scam. NFTs are a bigger scam than Bitcoin. Why on earth would I buy like a cartoon monkey when I can just screenshot it? Like people, I don't know, man. There's no brain cells, no comprehending up here. Should we hit a Rock Friday? Should we do urgent? Should we go urgent? No, let's do one that we haven't done. What's one that we haven't done? Classic rock songs. Should we do Summer of '69? Oh, let's do Born to Be Wild again. I like that one. Let's do Born to Be Wild, and then we're going to call it Born to Be Wild.
We got to get serious, okay? We're going to get fucking serious right now. So look, we took the low. What do we want to see right now? I'm going to tell you, and then I'm going to leave you, okay? I'm going to hit and quit, y'all. Right now your structure has changed. Look at that, beautifully. At the very least, I mean, not great, but at the very least, you got 1 minute structure. Blue stopping volume candle, blue vector candle, as we hit the level, literally to the fucking nipple, okay? So, because we don't have the divergences that I want to see anyways, definitely not. The thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. Let me check the 30-second time frame here. Yeah, because we don't have the divs that I like to see, I'm not entering aggressively, so I'm not going to enter right now. I would actually prefer to see a market structure flip at the very least, and even still, it's a 1 minute market structure flip at best. So, we're going to wait, because patience pays, Okay. Patience pays. So let's wait because we could still get this, right? The thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. We could get that. So we're going to just chill. We're going to just wait. Okay. We're going to keep in mind that we are at an SFP level. We're going to keep in mind that this SFP level is valid. I mean, it's pretty high time frame structure. Let's say 1 hour at the very least. So 32 minutes from now, we'll see where this candle closes. You know, we will see where that candle closes. We'll have to wait and see. But that's why you don't rush, guys. Patience pays. And if you know how to find your levels here, and you know how to enter the multiverse of market cipher the way that I do, then you might get some dubs. And it's very simple. If you don't get the confirmations, then you don't take the trade. Do you guys see me panicking right now? Do you guys see me? Oh my God, that's the low. Go, go, go. We missed it. Because let me tell you something. Let's just say this is the low until $75,000. Let's just say hypothetically. Do you think that it matters if you get in from 67.7 or 68? Like, does that $300 really matter? No, it doesn't. Spoiler alert. No, it doesn't. So. Okay, so did Solana take that low? Yeah, Solana didn't take the low. Dogecoin didn't take the low. Ethereum didn't take the low. Pepe didn't take the low. SHIB didn't take the low. I don't know what the fuck Turbo's doing. Let's see, man. Let's see what happens. I don't know what's going to happen. I can't tell you what's going to happen. How to join my pro or VIP group. The link is in the description down below. tradewithgeo.com/join-VIP, where literally this morning, look at this. I gave literally exactly, like it's blurry. Hold on. I'm going to make it not blurry. Yet some of you guys still fucking give me hate. Where were we? 685 before it happened. Up, down. Where are we now? What happened? Ridiculous, man. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. These people that love to fucking hate. Haters, pencil necks. Batteries. And so, yeah, guys, we're short. That's why we're short. That's why we're short. I do think there's potential for a weekend pump, but man, I'm telling you, if we lose this guy, we're gonna come down pretty hard. If we lose this, this is gonna be easy to grab. We will look for an SFP here for sure. But if we lose that, man, we're coming to this wick. We lose that, like, I mean, there's easy liquidity there. There's easy liquidity here. We're probably gonna come down towards around 63K at the very least, in my opinion. We're knocking on the basement door right now. Hello, hello. Let us in. We're literally knocking on the basement door right now. Right? It ain't all sunshine and rainbows. And that's what I've been trying to tell you guys for a very long time. People are way too bullish. Way too bullish. And if you don't believe me still, that people are way too bullish, like, what else do you want me to tell you? You know? Also, let me just address this real quick. Last night, I tweeted, okay? Last night, I tweeted, let's test some stupidity. If you magically knew with 100% certainty that Bitcoin would dump to 10K tomorrow, I tweeted this yesterday, okay? Would you sell or still hold? And people are saying still hold. That's how way too bullish and absolutely out of everybody's, like, out of your mind you guys are. Retarded, dude. Retarded. Guys, that's it for the stream. Hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Peace!
Set my heart on fire.